Hayag, Mr. Ermin Antonio, Architect Ernesto Reyes, through the kindness of Mr. Angelito Velus and his family with the help of Honorable Rector M. Katimbuhan. Previous band instructor, Ms. Vilma Arboleda and Mr. Artur Arboleda. First train, the pioneers of the band. The MFDBT was officially launched and registered the foundation in the year 2000. With almost 50 members, the band has their first recital at Dasmariñas Elementary School Multipurpose Hall in April of the same year. Since then, yearly summer workshops are provided for free trainers and old members of the band. Funds are raised in order to provide members with their uniforms and instruments. Once again, palakpakan po natin Music Foundation Band of Dasmariñas! Once again, Music Foundation Band of Dasmariñas.